Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this lecture we will create here the edit section button, then as well as its function to send the data to the server side. So here this is your box component. So here outside it here you need to create it. So here you have to create your button component button. Okay. Here also here you have to close your button component. That is a button. Got it. So yes, inside your button component here that is a variant. Here you have to use the solid background styles. That is a variant. That is a content. Got it. Then here display nail icon on the left side of the button text. So you write the start icon. Then inside it that is a head icon. Okay guys, let me remove this one. Then head head icon component. So close this one here. Okay guys, here also from here you have to close this one. Okay, this is the start icon. Then after that here we will add the resource style for this button sx. Then inside it here you need to write that is margin top 16 px, margin top, that is a 16 px. Okay, then here you need to write the color. Here set the color text to the white color. Okay, color has to the ff. Then after that background color here set in the background to the black background. Okay, background color it is has 000. Got it. The next thing you have to here prevent the automatic capitalization of button text. That is the text transform none. Text text transform, that is a none guys. Then inside button that is your the text display inside the button head section. That is sections. So inside it here also we have to define the function that is handle it section, call the handle it section function when this button it is clicked. So on click event. Okay, that is a handle handle it. Handle it section. Got it. So this is your function. So copy this function name, go to the top, and then for now just here you have to define these functions. So let me here you have to define this one. That is a const and that section make it async functions. So inside it here just for now alert head section. Alright. So let me check it here guys in the client side. So you need to refresh it, then you will see your button at the bottom. You see here, okay, add section, and it is whenever you click, then here you have to add the section. Got it. So the thing here, guys, I want to implement the feature like whenever you click on this button, okay, this button here, I want to add the section like this one. This is section one introduction, okay. Then basically you know that this is a first section, then this is your second section. Inside section here you have the lectures. Got it. So let me here we have to create the multiple section just okay. This is a lecture guys, so copy this one. You need to just paste it again paste it. Now it is looking very good guys. Then you just see here, okay, now it is looking very good. Here basically I want to implement a feature. Whenever you click on this button, then I want to send the like your section title name, then its id to the server side, and we will save all this detail in the database. And then later on we will fetch your real data from the database, and we will display here. Got it? So here let's implement the features, guys, inside it here. Whenever we will click here and let's section, so we will send the data to the server side and save in the database. So here you have to, that is async function, make it async function so that you can inside use the use await keyword. Got it? Got it. So let's inside it here you have to generate a unique ID for the new section with the help of UUID4. So let here const id index equal, that is a UUID v4 functions. Got it? Then after that here create a new section object with the default value. First time we will create your new section with the default title name. Got it? So inside it, okay, don't worry, you will see just how to create your new section, new section. Okay, then equal, then inside object here basically we will creating the new default object. Then inside it here you have to send your id index. Okay, not a db, basically this variable here you have to send to the server side. Okay, this one, remove this one. Got it? Then your default name for the new section, that is a new section. So here you have to write the title, it is a new, then it is section. Got it? New section. Then after that here initialize with the empty lecture array. So that is the lectures. Okay, make sure that you have to write the lecture and initialize with the empty array bracket. Got it? So this is your new section object. Then here after that here you have to optimistic UI update, immediately add the new section to the UI before the server confirms. So this makes the application feel fast and responsive. So we can implement it right now, or we can implement it later. Whenever you save all this data in the server side, then we will fetch and display here in the client side. But here I think let me here at this time we will immediately update your client side applications. So for that you know that you have real data. This is your dummy data. I have already told you this is your dummy data. We have the lecture data inside curriculum. You know that inside a curriculum we have the lecture data. You can see here inside a use effect hook, you see this one. Inside it here you have the data section. This is my real data inside this function set curriculum. That is your curriculum here. Got it? So this is my real data. Later on we will remove this section. This is a dummy data. So that's why we will remove this one. I have real data, basically this one curriculum set curriculum. So let here we have to just update your UI with the help of this set curriculum function. So let here you have to update your UI immediately. So that is a set curriculum. Okay, set curriculum. Then inside it here you have to make the arrow functions. Okay, so inside it, inside it, and that is the previous sections. Okay, previous section. Got it? This is the previous section. Then okay, then here you have to make it arrow function. Then here you have to write dot, then previous section. Okay, then here you have to add the new section. Just you have here created this new section here. We will use inside it here for immediately update your UI in the client side. Got it? Then here after that here you have to prepare the data to send to the backend side. That is a new section object. Then your search ID, basically this curriculum ID that you got from the URL. You know that I am talking about this ID. This ID here we have to send to the server side. So let's see, prepare the data to be sent to the backend. So that is a const here data equal, then inside it here, okay, inside it that is a new section, this one, guys, new section in like id index, then title, it is a new section, then lectures. Here you have to send to the server side. Then after that here you have to also to send your curriculum ID, that is a search here. You know that here that ID you got from the URL in this one here, this one, guys, you see here, search. So this search you have to send to the server side here. Got it? So after that, here we will use try and catch block to handle the potential error. So here first thing guys, go inside catch block. Okay, so inside the catch block here, handle the network or any server error that you got from the server side. Then we will also here remove the section to keep the UI accurate if any error occurs. So here inside it, inside catch block, console log. Then inside it here you have to write the error reading section. Error reading section. Now here you have to write the error. Got it? So this is the error as well as here you have to also update your UI immediately if you got anything wrong. So the thing here guys, you can do that easily. Okay. Here that is set curriculum. Here not this one guys. Set curriculum. Then inside it here you have to make the functions. Okay, let me here you got your previous section, previous sections. Okay, so here you have the previous section. Then this is the previous section. Then forward slash here you have to write the previous section dot filter functions. Okay, then inside it here you have to make the another row functions. So inside it here you got that is a section. Then here you got the data from the server side. There is a section dot id index section. If it is available, then section dot id index. Okay, if it is not equal, to the id index, got it? Then we will here filter that sections from the client side also. Got it? Then after that here let's move inside your try block. So inside try block guys, we will here sending your data to the server side. So let inside it here inside it here, send a request to the backend to save the new section in the database. So here you have to create the const response equal await fetch API. Inside it here you have to access the environment variable that is a process env API, then forward slash go to admin, go inside admin, then go inside curriculum here. Okay guys, curriculum, then forward slash section. Alright, then here you have to make this one inside it. Okay, here use the post method to send the new data to the server side. Here the method that is a post. Then after that set the request format to the JSON data headers. Headers. Then inside it here inside it content type application JSON content type. Okay, application JSON. Got it? So next it is guys to here convert the data object to the JSON string body. Here JSON dot stringify. Then inside it here data. Got it? So you need to send this data to the server side. Okay, this data, this is your data. Inside it here you have new section means all these data. Here you have this one. Then search ID, you know that is the basically URL ID, your curriculum ID. Then funding document. So now it's below. Here you have to check the condition. If the request is successful, extract the newly added section from the response. So here let's do that here. So here check the condition. If response not okay, then inside it here you have to extract your data const const inside it newly added section. Don't worry about it. This newly added section, this data or this variable we got from the server side. Basically, we will send this data from the server side to the client side here. So here new, okay, newly edit sections. Got it? Equal, okay, equal from the await response dot json. Await await response dot json. Got it? Then after that, he replaced the optimistic update with the actual section from the database. Okay, so basically, I want to here immediately I want to update your UI. So that's why here we have written this code. Got it? So let's do that. Here set curriculum. Okay, guys. Then inside it here, here you have to make the functions. Then inside it here, that is the previous section, previous sections. Okay, this is the previous section. Then after that, previous section dot map previous where previous section dot map functions. hmm Then inside here again you have to make the functions. Okay, so here you have to that is a section. Got it? Then this is your section, guys. This is section. That is a here you have to check it section. Okay, section dot id index. It is equal three times. That is a id index id id index. Then here we will use in the ternary operator newly edit section that you got from the server side, this one. Otherwise just it is section your previous section, whatever we have. So now this is your sections, so your formative document. So this is your if condition. Now here again go to the else condition. Here if it is not success, then again here you have to check the condition. Then inside it here, okay, if it is not successful, then you need to here that is here remove the automatically edit section since it was not successful from the server side. So let's here do that, guys. So here first thing here, if the request fail, then log your message. So here at the console.log, then is it here you have to just change failed to edit section. Here failed to edit sections. Got it? Then here inside here you have to write in the load set curriculum. Okay, set curriculum. Then inside it here you have to make the functions. That is previous section, previous sections. Okay, previous sections. That is the previous section dot filter. Here write the previous sections dot filter. Here we have the filters. Then inside it we will again here use the arrow functions. So inside it here you have to use the each section. Section. Got it? And then you check the ID. Inside it is section dot ID index section. Okay, section dot id index. If it is not equal to the id index. Got it? So here you have to find your document. Got it? So here you have successfully implemented your client side hiding the new section. Got it? So in the next lecture, basically we will here we will create this API endpoint. That is admin curriculum dot sections. Okay. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next lectures.